Hello, this is part 4 of the GeoSync GO Management Series webinars. The demonstration today will be related specifically to the Quick Search tool and creation, use, and deployment of a Quick Search file. Of the different management series that we've already discussed in these webinars, we've talked about the workflow wizard, publishing, processing data. We've discussed the dashboard, and today we're going to be talking about search engines, specifically an address search or GeoSync GO layer feature searches. You can see that we also have coming up in the management series account and device activation and project creation. So within these series, we've been talking about this geospatial toolbox, the set of tools that we have related to the GeoSync GO cloud service. And you can see the different tools that are in bold today, and those are related specifically to the Quick Search tool. The Quick Search file is created in the GeoSync GO Manager desktop software. You can also create a Quick Search file within the ArcGIS add-in tools. That's in the MapSync Publisher toolbar. The Quick Search file is stored in the cloud, and then it can be deployed for use on mobile devices or tablets or computers in the field, as well as the GeoSync GO web maps. Custom searches are important because if you are in a utility office, 911, a clerk's office, any office where a citizen calls in, the first thing the citizen is asked is what is their location or what is their address. So everything in the mapping industry is driven from location or an address. So it's invaluable to be able to create an address search file so that you have the capability to quickly find a location. You might also want to create a search file on different attributes of your GeoSync GO layers or your GIS features, such as feature IDs or other fields that are important to search on. An example of this might be hydrant IDs or even meter IDs with account links to the customer billing database. Search files are a key feature of the GeoSync GO software. We've learned this from years of mapping experience. There are two types of search files in GeoSync GO. One is the address GeoSearch. That's created in ArcGIS and used in the GeoSync GO desktop software only. That's a different webinar. Today, the demonstration will focus on the Quick Search. That's created in GeoSync GO desktop software as well as the ArcGIS MapSync Publisher toolbar. The Quick Search file is used in all GeoSync GO software as well as GeoSync GO web maps. Some of the specifics about the Quick Search file. This file will always be named geosyncgo.search.xml. It's a point-based XML file. It can be created from any point layer or the centroid or midpoint of any polygon layer. And it's stored on the desktop in the project folder with the other GeoSync GO layers. That's in the GeoSearch layers folder, and that's all in the Documents folder, the Documents GeoSync GO folder umbrella. To build a Quick Search tool, you go to the Manager Tools drop-down and select Build Search File. The GeoSync GO search dialog opens. The first thing you do is pick the green plus button to create the new search layer. Then select the GeoSync GO layer from the drop-down list. Select the search field to build the search layer on. And you can include any description fields up to 3 that you want to include in the search information. Once the search settings are configured, update the search layer. At this point, you could add another search file. And in the demonstration here, you can see that there's an address search layer created as well as a hydrants search information created. The address search layer, the search field is address, the description field is parcel ID, and on the hydrants, the search field is hide number. Once you have the number of search files included that you want to search on, build the total search file. This creates one file. To use the search layer in GeoSync GO desktop software, enter the search value in the search text box, select the search button, and then choose the desired search option found in the list. The map will zoom center on the selected location, and you can see the red symbol in the center of the map. After you've created the search file in GeoSync GO desktop, you then publish the quick search file to be used on the mobile devices or in the web map. Select Publish Layers tool from the Manager Tools drop-down. Then the Cloud Publish and Download dialog will open. Select Quick Search Layer from the GeoSearch Layer Type drop-down list. Then select the GeoSearch layer and press the To Cloud button to send the GeoSearch layer into the cloud. Once that is updated to the cloud, the GeoSearch layer will be shown in the right window. This is the GeoSync GO mobile app to be used on devices and tablets and computers in the field. Now that GeoSearch layer, or the quick search layer, has been uploaded to the cloud, now we can sync our project and use the quick search layer in the GeoSync GO mobile app. After the project has been synced, select the main menu button, enter the search value, select the search tool, and then choose the desired found option from the list. You can see the yellow symbol in the center of the map of the found location. Likewise, within the GeoSync GO web map, select the main menu button and choose Quick Search from the tool list. Enter the search value and select the search option from the list. And you can see the red circle around the symbol found in the center of the map. For the live demonstration today, our example scenario, we're going to create an address and a hydrant ID quick search using the address point layer and the hydrant point layer. We're going to create this on the desktop software in the office. We'll publish it for use for the field, and then we'll do a quick search on the mobile app as well as the GeoSync GO web map. This is the GeoSync GO desktop software. We're going to create the search file. Under the Manager Tools drop-down, I've selected Build Search File. I'm going to select the green plus button to create a new search. I'm going to select Address, and the search field is Address. I'm going to include parcel ID as the description field, and addresses as the type, and update that search. Now I'm going to create a new search layer on hydrants. The search field is hide number, and the type is hydrants. Now I'm going to build this search file. It creates one file of 309 records. Now I'm going to enter my search value. And now you can see that the search file has been created. And now I can select, and it will zoom center on the selected search address. I can also perform a search on hydrants because I created the search layer on hydrant number. And now we can see our hydrant number has been found. That is within the GeoSync GO desktop software. Now if we publish that information, we're going to publish that to the cloud, and we're going to select our quick search layer. I'm going to check the quick search and send to the cloud. That has been uploaded to the cloud. Now I can go to the mobile GeoSync GO mobile application. Now I again have entered that search value in the quick search, selected the search tool, and then selected the found option. And it has been zoomed to the center of the map with the yellow symbol. Now if I also want to perform that quick search within the web application, I have to update this web map to include the quick search. I've selected the quick search tool. I'm entering my search value. And now I have selected and found that address. That is how to create, to use, and deploy the quick search within GeoSync GO desktop. We published it to the cloud, and then we consumed it within the GeoSync GO mobile application as well as the GeoSync GO web map. And that is the end of the quick search demonstration.